This is the bonus footage, guys. So basically, BeBe is actually allowing me to try each one of their chocolate bonbons. And guys, this is bonus footage. This is bonus footage. So you guys are right here with me. I'll turn the camera around because you guys haven't seen me. So here I am, guys. All right, let's talk with Corey. Hey guys, thanks for taking this journey with me today. And we found Ecuadorian gold. All right, let's see. All right, which one is this one first?
It's a raspberry.
All right, I'm gonna try the raspberry first, guys. Mmm, delicious, delicious. This is really good. Mmm. And of course, I'm not gonna be able to eat all this chocolate. So, just as advertised, BeBe is right. The raspberry is on point. And it's really good, guys. So just know, I'm gonna put all the information about the Ecuadorian Chocolate Factory in the description box so you guys know how to find them and also how to contact them by phone and order online as well as email them, okay? All right, which one is this, BeBe?
Coffee.
All right, this is the coffee. I'm gonna try the coffee, guys. The chocolate is just so delicious. And it's just so smooth. It's just like melting in your mouth. And you can also taste the hint of the coffee. Okay. So the next one, I'm gonna let BeBe tell me which one to try next, because I cannot sit here and eat all this chocolate. I will be sick. But these are all delicious. What's the next one you think I should try? I just tried the raspberry and the coffee, and both of them are delicious.
Passion fruit.
Okay. All right, guys. I'm gonna try the passion fruit, and we're gonna see what this tastes like. All right. There it goes, guys. Delicious. The passion fruit, you can taste it. You can just taste the fruit, the chocolate. It just gels together perfectly. It is really good. I don't know why you guys should be flooded with customers right now. This chocolate is great. So guys, I'm gonna make sure I put all the information in the description box. The chocolate is awesome. You guys gotta make sure you guys come out here. I found Ecuadorian gold. You guys can find the same Ecuadorian gold right here at the Ecuadorian Chocolate Factory here in Cedar Park. All right? Hey, what's up, guys? What an awesome, awesome place, the Ecuadorian Chocolate Factory. I definitely want to thank Carlos and BeBe for allowing Let's Talk with Corey to come into their establishment, their actual chocolate factory right inside of the business. They're making chocolate fresh every day, guys. And so when I said Ecuadorian gold, it's truly a gem, guys. Not just a gold nugget, but a gem. Guys, I want to highly recommend that if you want some chocolate for special occasions. Hey guys, I actually did a bonus video where BeBe allowed me to try the different chocolates that they have, especially the bonbons, and they were delicious. Mwah! Delicious. But I can't thank them enough for letting me in and letting you guys in to their chocolate factory and seeing how they make beautiful and delicious chocolate right here in Cedar Park, Texas. You can find your Ecuadorian gold just like I did. And again, guys, always say that when you have small businesses in the community, they make up the community, and that's how the community thrives, by having businesses just like that one, where they're basically serving up really great and delicious products, and especially the chocolate, guys, because that's what they make each and every day. So I want to challenge you guys to take the information out of the description box and order some chocolate for yourself or for your loved one or for a friend or for a special occasion, and check them out, guys. Again, hit the like button, share, comment, and subscribe to Let's Talk with Corey. And hey, who knows where I end up next, right, guys? Until the next time, peace.